Am I the only one that didn't know dogs and kangaroos could be best buds? Check this out. These furry friends are having the time of their lives. Watch as this curious pup hops around mimicking its kangaroo buddy. Look at those tails wagging in perfect harmony. The kangaroo's jumping antics are too adorable, and this dog is just loving every second of it. Who knew these two could get along so well? It's like an animal buddy movie come to life. So next time someone says dogs and kangaroos can't be friends, show them this video. Heartwarming and hilarious, right? Don't forget to share this with your fellow animal lovers. Until next time, keep spreading the joy.